Everything you need to know about protein powder. Is it worth the hype? Ever seen someone drink a protein shake before or after their workout? I believe so. But what is there to know about this drink? And should you invest in protein shakes? I guess that's what we're about to find out. Welcome to Health Fruition, the #1 channel to help you in your health and wellness journey. If you're new to the world of fitness and health, there are many new things we encounter that might be a mystery to us. And yes, that includes protein powders. However, there's nothing to be afraid of. If you don't know much about protein powders, best to stay with us because we'll give you an overview of what protein powders are and answer the big question, is it worth the hype? Get ready to understand everything there is to know about protein powders. What are protein powders? Protein powders gained popularity among gym goers because they help people reach their daily protein goals. Basically, they are nutritional supplements. It is a concentrated source of protein that exists in different forms, such as whey, soy, and casein. If you have ever stepped foot inside a gym, one of the most common topics is whey. Whey is very popular because it is easily accessible as a water-soluble protein from milk. You might be wondering, why would these gym goers opt to drink protein powders when they could eat food high in protein, such as chicken and fish? The answer to that question is simple. Protein powder is an easy way to consume high amounts of protein without overeating food. It would relatively be easier to drink a cup full of protein powder than to eat 1 kilogram of chicken or fish to reach your protein intake requirements for the day. I mean, this makes sense, right? Protein powder is a protein in the form of a powder you mix into water and drink to reach your protein goal. They could also contain additional ingredients such as sugar, vitamins, and other helpful minerals. Now that you know what protein powder is made of, you will also know that there is nothing to fear with protein powders as long as you make sure the one you will take is FDA approved. Have you ever tried protein powder? Or are you considering starting to take it? This next part of the video might help you decide for yourself. How will protein powder affect your body? After knowing what protein powders are and how they will help a person reach their protein goal, there is also more to learn about how they will affect your body. Of course, you shouldn't just drink supplements without knowing the changes they may cause your body. First, it will help you build muscle. As a teenager, it will help your body grow. If you are still young and are just starting to work out, drinking protein powder will help you develop muscles because your body is using protein as building blocks, and protein powder provides this in high amounts. While as an adult trying to build muscle, protein powders are just as helpful because building muscle requires your body to have more protein than usual. This is the main reason why most gym goers drink protein powder. It aids them in building muscle faster and more efficiently. If you ever see muscular people drinking something at the gym, if it isn't water, it most probably is protein powder. Another effect of protein powder is that it helps with recovery. Athletes usually drink protein powders when they train multiple times a week because their body needs more protein due to high-intensity activities. It allows people with high activity levels to recover from high-intensity workouts and injuries. The human body usually needs more protein when recovering from injuries, and protein powders help with that. Isn't it wonderful how protein powder assists our body in such a helpful way just by providing protein? Despite these effects on the body, we shouldn't be unaware of the other pros and cons of protein powder, which we will discuss next. Pros and cons of protein powder. Just like any other supplement, there are pros and cons to drinking protein powder. Let us first start with the pros it can have on your body. A benefit you could get from protein powder, other than it will help you gain muscle, is that it can help with weight loss. With high protein in the diet, a person feels fuller and is more likely to eat less or prevent overeating. Others also try to replace snacks with protein powder because it is more nutritious. People who drink protein powder lose more body fat. Sounds good, right? But what are the cons? Well, a negative effect you could get from drinking protein powder is stomach pains and diarrhea. Some experience stomach cramps and diarrhea when they consume protein powder at higher than normal doses. But if taken in moderation, protein powder does not generally have adverse effects. This is the big question. Is protein powder worth the hype? Protein powders help optimize one's diet, but according to most health practitioners, most people do not need protein powders. It is not essential to a person's diet, but it helps meet nutritional and health goals. For the people who do not participate in strenuous physical activities such as going to the gym, protein powders might not be needed in their diet. But if you participate in such exercises and require more protein than a regular person, protein powder will be helpful for you. Protein powder is not a magic substance that will magically grow your muscles and help you lose weight or fat. It is a supplement that will help you have a holistic diet high in protein. You cannot rely on protein powder for your desired results at the gym. You need a proper workout plan, and investing in protein powder can help you reach your goals. Before making this decision to incorporate protein powder into your diet, it would be a good idea to ask your doctor first to make sure that it is safe for you and your current physical health. Okay, so protein powder is worth the hype because it performs the purpose it is intended to do: provide the consumer with the protein they need. If that is exactly what you are looking for, then protein powder is for you. That is all you need to know about protein powders. We hope you got all the information you needed about protein powders. Learning about new supplements such as protein powder is not as challenging as it may seem. Even after learning about protein powders, always research before incorporating a supplement into your diet regularly. We hope we have imparted enough information to help you make informed decisions about your health and fitness. Everyone has unique nutritional needs during their fitness journey, but we hope that the information we shared with you helped you optimize your diet. So, are you now ready to share what you have learned about protein powders? Let us know in the comment section below. If you have decided to take protein powders, and if you are already taking them, comment below for other helpful information we may not have mentioned in this video. We would love to hear your insights through the comment section. Also, feel free to check out our other videos and comment your video suggestions down below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button to get notified of new posts. Remember to take care of your health, and good luck optimizing your diet for your fitness journey. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.